Hi guys, this is my first Screenomatic screencast, and I chose this image for my webpage as a thumbnail, and I also cropped it down to this size so it would fit well on my webpage. I really wanted this picture in particular because I didn't want one that the sharks were baring their teeth or that the waters were really chummed up and it was just bloody, because that's what people imagine when they first think of sharks. People who are the general population who don't have a lot of interest in sharks, like that's what they think of. And I wanted them to see how the sharks actually live their lives. Probably about 80 to 90% of their time, they're just swimming, just chilling in the ocean. That's their home, where they belong. And they're just really trying to survive and find their next meal and maybe a mate or two. To be honest, I'm more afraid of manatees than I am of sharks, and I live in Florida. So it's just really a perspective. Man, I hope I really did this screencast right. For some reason, I could not understand the instructions to save my life, but I got everything else. Thanks, guys. Bye.